Chapter 3 review, license law and FREC. There are 7 members to the Florida Real Estate Commission. 5 are licensed and 2 are unlicensed. Remember, of the 5 licensed, 4 have to be brokers and have been brokers for the last 5 years, and the other one can have any license status. Members of FREC are appointed by the governor with confirmation by the state senate for a 4-year term. They can't serve more than 2 consecutive full terms. Involuntary inactive is when you fail to renew or your employing broker has his or her license either suspended or revoked by the Florida Real Estate Commission. A broker fails to notify the DBPR of an office move within 10 days, that license and all license under it will cease to be in force. A group license held by an associate working for an unlicensed owner, and what we're saying here is that if you're working for an unlicensed owner, that you can get a group license and work for more than one project that that owner may have. A multiple license is simply multiple license held by a broker that's the broker of record for more than one company. If a broker dies or resigns, all license under that broker are canceled. The initial issue for a sales associate is voluntarily inactive. Now, if a sales associate or broker associate, or even a broker, fails to do their continuing education, fails to renew in a timely manner, and their license becomes involuntarily inactive, remember they have up to 2 years to do something about it or it becomes null and void. There is a 28-hour reactivation course if your license has become involuntarily inactive for the last year of a 2-year period. And let me explain. Remember I said that if you fail to renew during your CE periods, your license becomes involuntarily inactive for 2 years. You owe the state of Florida 14 hours for the first, then 14 hours for the second years of inactive. If you wait till the last year to get it in, they're going to require you to take a 28-hour reactivation course with an examination in order to get your license in good standing. And that's all I have for the Chapter 3 review.